Iotic Labs enables digital transformation by enabling digital ecosystems. Why does it do that? Well, we know that pretty well every business works by having interrelationships with its customers and its suppliers, and it has an ecosystem of users all around it. And we know that the businesses work because they trust their ecosystem. They have to trust their suppliers to make it so that they can make things in their factories. They have to be able to distribute things. They need to be able to interact with companies that provide components and services that contribute to the delivery of their products. And then they need to interact with their customers as they use them. And quite often they want to change the way in which they interact so that they can provide their products as a service rather than just as a single cell. The difficulty is that these companies all trust each other because they have kind of contractual relationships with each other. And that gives them a sense of confidence. But they're not so confident about sharing data with each other. And they're not confident because they either think it will be misused, it will provide a security hole in their own systems, or that in some way or another it will provide information to someone that they haven't collected or paid for. Well, wouldn't it be amazing if the digital ecosystem could operate and become an area for interaction and multiplication that enabled those businesses to work more effectively with each other, to make it so that the customers could relate to their suppliers, that the trusted relationships would become more trusted because that exchange worked effectively for them all. That's the problem that Iotic solves. We enable a digital ecosystem so that anything, any source of data can be shared with anything else without the risk. And that enables people, organizations, companies, businesses, new ideas, creations, innovators, but also the engineers that have to deliver products to be able to interact in real time with each other, within their ecosystem, within their own businesses, but beyond it to their supply chains, their delivery partners, their execution organizations, the companies that bring it to the user. And guess what? It enables the user, the customer, to truly interact with the product, their suppliers, in new ways. And that adds huge potential to make it so that businesses can bring transformation throughout all aspects of their organization and truly bring digital transformation throughout their whole life cycle of their products and services.